first thing first, head over to this website called freenom and click enter. Now again, this is how it looks like. Make sure that you are on this website. Click this website right here. Now once you are on this website, you definitely need to sign in. If you do not have an account, make sure that you click where it says sign in. Once I clicked on it, it takes me to this login page. Now I'm going to log in with my Google account, but you can feel free to log in with your Facebook account, whatever you want to log in. I'm gonna go here and hit Google. I'm gonna select whichever one of my account. I'm gonna select this one, and there you go, ladies and gentlemen, I am logged in. Once you are logged in, head over where it said services, clicked on it, and select register a new domain. All right, once I'm here, you need to type any domain that you want to register. Now for this one, I'm going to come in with my YouTube portfolio. Now again, this seems silly, but you guys can come in with any new name that you want for your domain. Once you have that, make sure that you click on this button right here. Now here's the list of the domain that I have. Now one thing about this website, freenom.com, that lets you register free domain is you only use those free domain for testing purposes. They do not have a good ranking on Google. If you want something more professional, you need to consider register for something more like .com that's gonna have a better ranking. Okay, now for testing purposes, we're going to use the one that has the .tk or any other one that's for free. Okay, so once I have that, I need to click wherever it says get it now. So once I click on get it now, there is a button here called checkout. Make sure that you click on this button. Once you click on this button, it will take you to this space. Now the catch about this is you can only register this for 12 months, and there's no guarantee that your domain will remain this after the 12 months. So that's one of the catch about using this free domain. Now once, make sure you select the 12 month, and I'm gonna click continue. All right, once you are in this page, you're going to need to fill in some basic information about you, such as your first name, last name, your address, your zip code, and so on. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my, and then once you're ready, make sure you check I have read the agreement, and then click on complete order right here. Okay, all right, assuming that you have provided them with all the information, and click complete order, and there you go, your order has been completed. This video is part of an entire series on my YouTube channel. Definitely check it out, where we're gonna walk you through how to take everything from step by step to deploy your static website all the way to AWS and configure your own domain name. So definitely check it out.